Hey friends, it's Jen from Gold Nutrition. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing the October edition of the new monthly cover club from Jane's Agenda. So if that sounds good to you, then just keep watching. Hey guys, it's that time. It's that time already. It is time to take a peek at the October edition of the new monthly cover club subscription from Jane's Agenda. If you're not familiar, Jane's Agenda is a planner company. They sell inserts, they sell covers, dashboards, dividers, pens, all the things. They also have a monthly subscription, and previously they had one style of subscription that came with a variety of planner and lifestyle items, and it was released once a month. But recently it was revamped, and now you have a choice between either the monthly cover club, which is what I have here, where you receive covers or laminated dashboards if you're in rings, because I should have said that also, Jane's sells products for Discbound and ring planners, and she offers a variety of sizes. I am a Discbound planner, and I get my subscription, at least at the moment, in half letter size, or what's also called junior. So the monthly cover club is one tier, so you get covers or dashboards, you get cardstock dashboards, and you get a Pagefinder. Then there is the lifestyle subscription, which adds in some additional items such as inserts, some lifestyle items, and I believe sometimes you get a hybrid dashboard. You get a variety of things. Or you can get the deluxe, which combines everything into one box. I personally only at the moment am subscribed to the monthly cover club. I do have an unboxing of last month's subscription, which was the very first edition, and I will link that for you. And I loved it. I thought it was beautiful. So let's dig into October. I'm going to move this out of the way, and we're going to take a peek at what we've got here. So first of all, you always get one of these cards that is a tour card for the subscription. I think this image is beautiful, and my guess is that there is a matching dashboard for this in the monthly and deluxe boxes. As you're about to see, it's not in this box, but I knew that because this is the one tier of her box where she shows you everything ahead of time, which I really appreciate. But this is the tour card. So beautiful. Love that. I will definitely end up using that in my planner. And here is the back. It says monthly cover club tour, October 2022 edition, fall leaves, autumn breeze. All right. So let's get into what we got. So first of all, we got dashboards. So they are double-sided, but they are different. Oops, this is upside down. There we go. So you could use these under your cover, which we will definitely check all of that out. I do think the imagery is really pretty. I kind of wish the quote wasn't there. Not that I dislike that quote or anything like that, but I just sort of like the picture on its own. But yeah, you know, it comes down to personal preference, just like all of these things. But Jane's dashboards are amazing. I love the quality. They have a sheen, but they're not super shiny. They're, substantial, but not like overly thick. They're just really great. Now, I really like the other side. The other side is a black and orange plaid. That's probably the side I'll end up using if I use this for October. Okay, so let's put that aside. Next, we have a Pagefinder. So, cute. I could see it for the, kind of Halloween theme. Not really my jam, but it's not terrible. I probably would use it. Just plain black on the other side. Now, I'll have to grab my planner in a moment because I was saying last month that I wished that it was punched so the top stuck up more. Now this one looks like maybe it is punched that way. So I will grab my planner after I show you the last item and we can check some stuff out. Lastly, we have the covers. So they are laminated covers. They are very sturdy laminated covers. I have a few that I've had for quite some time and I've had no issues. They don't seem to scratch up. Yeah, they're very nice. So they're laminated vellums. And this one is kind of like I think meant to be like a spooky tree kind of theme. So I'll be 100% honest. I love Halloween, I do, but it's not like my thing where I want to like have everything Halloween-y all October. I know a lot of people feel that way and you know, that's awesome. It's great to feel excited about things, but you know, so I already know I'm not really going to use this cover all October or anything like that, but I might use it closer to Halloween just for the fun and because I have it. So let's take a look at the dashboards with the cover. So here, let me move this one just for a moment. So that's what that looks like. So I kind of see the idea with the quote being there. That's cute, but again, not totally my jam, but very nice. Like, I'm not sorry I have it. And, you know, and so we'll see. Let's try looking at it with the plaid. So that's cute too. It's okay. Okay. And even though we don't have the actual dashboard, maybe it would have been something sort of like that, which that's pretty cute too. Okay. So I'm going to grab my planner so that we could take a look at what these things are like on there. I will be right back. So here's my planner. This is my half-letter disc-bound planner. This cover is from Jane's Agenda. It's a vegan leather cover in the color cream. And I really like it. I've really been happy with it. I will mention that I am a Jane's Agenda affiliate, so I have a link that will be down in the description box. If you click on that link and make a purchase, if it's your first purchase with Jane's Agenda, you will save 15% off your first purchase. But please know that that discount does not apply to the subscription box, but you can use it on any other items in the shop, such as this beautiful cover. And also just know that if you do use that link, I do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. And I really do thank you if you choose to do that. Or even if you click on the link to check things out, this still shows support and shows Jane that you're interested in my recommendations. And so again, I thank you if you choose to do that. So let's open this up. Now, I haven't really shown you guys my current setup. These are all Jane, well, this is a Live Love Posh sticky note, but this covers Jane's Agenda. This covers Jane's Agenda. This one, unfortunately, is not available anymore, but I absolutely love it. It's really Jane's florals that I'm really in love with. And so, you know, I think that's another reason that this box like doesn't light my fire the way maybe some others have, because I miss the florals. I think I was hoping for, well, again, I knew what I was getting, but I was hoping for more fall florals, and she just released the pictures of the November box, and it's absolutely not at all what I was expecting, but it's fire. I love it. I'm excited for that one. Very excited. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this off and the dashboard, and I have papers poking out at the bottom here because I DIY'd them and apparently I didn't measure them right, and it's driving me crazy, but it's my goals stuff. And actually I have a video on how I did this. If you would like to check that out, I can link it for you. And it's really pretty and I love it, and I don't want to take it out. So, you know, we are where we are. But I'm going to take it out just for the moment, just to give you a full chance to see what things should look like. So let's pop on a dashboard. We'll start with the fall theme. with the, I'm sorry, we'll start with our quote side, since I'm assuming that's how it was meant to be used. That is really pretty. It is really pretty. All right, and we'll pop a cover on. Now, I have 1-inch discs on here and I really need bigger discs. I actually have Happy Planner discs coming that are 1.25 that I think are gonna work out much better. But it takes forever for me to get stuff from the Happy Planner because I just am on the wrong side of the country, I think. So that's what that looks like. So it's cute. Again, it's just not fully my jam, I think. But it's cute. I'm not sorry about it. Let's try it now with the plaid side. And this is one of my favorite things about having a Discbound planner. It's just the versatility, the customizability, just all of it. Yeah, so that's cute too. Now I'm curious if the back cover, this is meant to be the back cover, but there's nothing that says you can't use it as the front cover. So let's just try it over the plaid, see what it looks like. I kind of like that too. You know, since there isn't like a real focal point on this dashboard, I kind of do like that. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. What do you think about all of it? I think that in the lifestyle box also, that there may have been a more Halloween themed item, because I know she had released a reel that made mention of bats. So maybe there's like a bats style dashboard in that box. All right. I also want to check out the, oops, I know those were in there. All right. I want to check out the Pagefinder. So so this is my current one that I use, and I labeled it this week with my label maker because I use top tab dividers, and you know, and that was part of the issue with the previous Pagefinders. It just didn't stick up nearly as far as my top tabs, but this one I still haven't labeled because I'm still kind of tweaking my setup. Then I have wellness. Well, this is Jane's. I have today, which goes in my daily sheets. These are Jane's Agenda daily sheets. I have a mix of daily sheets, and then just a side tab for notes. So that's kind of my, in a nutshell, my planner. But let's just try this out. So I think probably the reason is that, so it is punched like pretty much at the bottom here, but actually this one seems like it comes up a little higher, but it's still like, I wouldn't just easily find it in comparison to my other top tabs. So I guess that's, you know, a consideration about the Pagefinders and, you know, the way that you use them and what your needs are. And honestly, because I'm a decorative planner, this is one of my spreads that I had in here. Sometimes I want my Pagefinder to be clear so it doesn't really interfere with my spread. So like this really doesn't match with this. So that's kind of where I stand with the Pagefinder. But again, planning, very, very personal. Everyone's needs are different. The thing that I hate about a planner, you might love about a planner, and vice versa, you know, or maybe hate and love are strong words, but even what works for me might not work for you, all of that. So, you know, just take that into account. So this is the monthly Cover Club subscription from Jane's Agenda. Now, I have to tell you that I am popping in here a few days later to re-record the end of this video. And the reason is that I think I had somewhat of a lackluster reaction at first to the box, and that was my honest reaction. But here's the truth about me. Sometimes things just have to grow on me. Some things I will see them and I'm immediately in love, and even sometimes when I'm immediately in love, later I'm not. But after I completed filming this video, I had the covers and the dashboards in a little pile sitting on my desk, and as I've been looking at it, I kind of changed my mind. I kind of am really digging it, and so much so that I am going to do my October setup in these covers. I have some ideas about how I'm going to do it. And even I think I'll use the Pagefinder. So yeah, so I just wanted to, you know, be clear that while I never felt like I didn't necessarily like it, I actually like it a lot more than I thought I did. So again, this is the monthly cover club from Jane's Agenda, which includes a laminated cover or dashboards if you're in rings, 2 cardstock dashboards, and a page finder, and your tour card, which to me is an additional item because it's always really pretty and I like to put it in my planner. So I'm really glad that I hung in here with it, had to share, and I hope that you'll join me for my October setup of my half letter. I think it's going to be really fun, and I'll show you how I plan on using these items. So make sure you're subscribed, hit that red subscribe button, ring the bell so you're notified of all my future uploads, including that one. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it when you do that. So that is going to do it for this one, you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.